Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Frameless Mask. So this is it in its army green coloration, but it does come in different colours. This is a nice sort of vintage style mask. You've got the square sort of sides of it that actually improve your peripheral vision. I use a very similar mask and yeah, you get a very wide field of vision. And because it's got the coloured skirt, it also focuses your vision as well. So very comfortable in the water. Okay, single lens design, so this is going to allow plenty of lens to come in. This is frameless, so you have an actual reduced internal volume. It's not a big and clunky mask. Decent sized nose pocket on that, very easy to equalize. Turning it around, because it doesn't have a frame, that means that the mask buckle attaches directly onto the skirt, which means that it's much more flexible. Also means that it can pack down nice and flat. And yeah, you just get a better sort of range of motion without the need for any kind of hinges or any sort of complicated bits. One-way ratchet, traditional ratchet strap on each side, tug on the little strap to tighten it, and then push on this section on the buckle to loosen it off. The mask strap itself, very traditional mask strap, sort of square back design, that will grip onto the back of your head or onto the back of the hood, just to keep that in position. And then inside the mask, so this is all sort of nice soft silicone, but it does have some rigidity to it, so it's going to keep the shape and form of the mask even as you descend. But on the inside, we have a second skirt, or a second seal, I should say, and that just creates a very wide sealing surface all the way around your face, which is going to suck to your face, stop any water from getting in and stop any air from getting out. A nice small section just under the nose, just means it's going to seal against your top lip. And yeah, very minimal to the internal volume, so you don't have to equalize it quite as often. So all in all, a nice tough little mask. Frameless makes that it just packs down really nice and small. This is the Scubapro Frameless Mask. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.